guys know, is pretty much my favorite time of the day. So yoga, we know, is about our body, it's about being strong, but it's also about our breathing, because we want our breathing to be strong as well. So I thought we'd start today's session just focusing on our breath. So you might not have one of these breathing balls at home. You don't need one. If you don't have one, you can just put your hands on your tummy. Or you might like to put one hand on your chest and one hand on your tummy. But we're going to concentrate on doing something called square breathing, which means we're going to breathe in for 4 counts, we're going to hold for 4 counts, we're going to breathe out for 4 counts, and we're going to hold again for 4 counts. So it might look a little bit like this. Breathing in, hold, breathing out, hold, breathing in, hold, breathing out, hold. Or if you're putting your hands on your tummy, it might look a bit like this. Breathing in, hold, breathing out, and hold. Breathing in, and hold, breathing out, and hold. And remember, when we're breathing, we want to breathe all of our air right down deep into our belly. We don't want to lift our shoulders up and breathe like this, because that means all the breath is just getting into our chest. We want our breath and our oxygen to go all the way down into our tummy, and that way it's going to get all the way down to our legs and to our arms. So let's practice just one more square. Breathing in, hold, breathing out, and hold. Are we ready? Starting now. Breathing in, hold, breathing out, and hold.